Ignatian Waves, our news bulletin radiating from the XTTI campus of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology and Xavier University, Patna. I am Afifa Nizami from the Department of Mass Communication. Let's have a look at the top stories of July so far, starting with some campus news. St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, Patna successfully hosted the orientation program for Part 2 students on 8 July 2025, aimed at guiding students in navigating the evolving career landscape. Faculty members welcome students back with insight regarding the upcoming sessions, including assignments and programs. Xavier University, Patna organized induction program for the freshers from 8th July to 23rd July 2025. The program aimed to bridge the gap between school-level learning and the expectations of the higher education landscape at the undergraduate level. First-year students got a head start on their academic journey with interactive lectures, introductory sessions, and other activities such as social involvement, introduction to department and faculty members, socialization and community building activities, talk on environment, Introduction to Rules and Regulations, ICC, and exam-related information. The inter-department quiz competition, organized by Department of Commerce in collaboration with Quiz Club on Current Affairs, was conducted on 12th of July 2025 in the Kalam Hall. The BBA IB department backed the runners-up prize, followed by the BCA department, which secured the first prize. St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology celebrated Guru Purnima on 19 July 2025 with great reverence and creativity. The event featured speeches, poetry, music, and symbolic rituals honoring the bond between teachers and students. Anchored by Afifa Nizami of BUJMC2, the celebration included speeches by Ananya of BUJMC, Anish Raj of BCP, Manasvi of BBA2B and Unnati of BBA-IB, with poems by Ankit Raj of BCA and Sneha Singh of BCP. A heartfelt story by Assistant Professor Ms. Priya Manish Kumar reflected the essence of a Guru Sishya Parampara. The Xavier Dhwani Club captivated the audience with a soulful Doha recitation, making the event truly memorable. Xavier University, Patna held its orientation day for the freshers from 24th to 26th July 2025 in Kalam Hall. The program began with an invocation, prayer dance, and a welcome address by Vice Chancellor Father Dr. Martin Porras SJ. The annual theme for 2025-26 was unveiled, and dignitaries including Education Minister Mr. Sunil Kumar, Government of Bihar, who inspired the students by his words of wisdom. The second session featured ice-breaking games, a song performance, and a talk on soft skills. The event fostered confidence and a strong sense of belonging among students. St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, Patna organized the orientation program for Part 3 students on 28th July 2025. The program focused on preparing final year students to face the dynamic professional world with confidence. Faculty members extended a warm welcome and provided guidance on advanced newsroom training, highlighting key assignments and expectations for the academic year ahead. Now let's move on with some national news, making headlines across the nation. Jagdeep Dhankar resigned as Vice President on July 21st, citing health reasons. He is the first Indian Vice President to step down mid-term. Setting up a new official residence move, his sudden departure has triggered wide speculation about internal politics. On 24th July 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer inked a landmark FTA expected to boost the UK economy by £4.8 billion and attract £6 billion in investments. Tariffs on British exports like whiskey, cars, and aerospace parts will fall significantly, and provisions for UK professional and services have been negotiated. While welcome as historic, critics warn the deal lacks binding labor, environmental, and public health protections. Moving forward, let's take a glance beyond our nation's border. From early June through July, Europe faced record-breaking heat with temperatures soaring above 46 degrees Celsius in Spain and Portugal. The heat wave caused over 2,300 deaths, with climate scientists attributing around 65% of those fatalities directly to human-induced warming. The 17th BRICS Summit launched on July 6 in Rio under the theme Strengthening Global South Cooperation. Focus areas included trade, global health, climate, and AI governance. Notably, BRICS passes a declaration urging the UN to lead ethical AI frameworks and confirmed India will chair the 2026 summit. You have been watching Ignition Waves. This is Afifa Nizami signing off with reporter Robin Singh, camera person Aditya Anand, and editor Prateek Kumar. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.